Hello, everybody, and welcome to this exclusive Deep Dive. You're all hanging out with me, VJ Sam, with 2Ms. And here on Deep Dive, we are going to dive deep into the music of our favorite artists. And for today, may makakasama tayong very special guest. First time namin mag-meet, and I'm very excited kasi he's only been doing music for a little bit over a year. Pero excited na ako mas makilala pa paano ba siya nagsimula, yung music niya, and just everything in between. So everybody, please welcome to exclusive Deep Dive. We have Dave Trinidad! Napilitan ka ba sa energy ko?
Walang audience na ano.
Kaya, dami eh, no? Dami naming audience ngayon. But thank you, Dave, for joining us. Kamusta ka naman?
Okay naman. Medyo busy pero nakakapagbigay naman ng time sa passion.
Wow! Wow! Ganyan yung balance, no? Kasi from what nag-uusap kami kanina, you're still in school, di ba? Nag-aaral ka pa rin, and you're doing music then. So, kamusta naman yun for you?
Maluwag naman siya. Kasi, bale, wala na akong academics.
Oh, that's
Bale, OJT na lang talaga yung binabalikan ko. Pero medyo napapabayaan na konti. Pero magagawa naman ng paraan.
At least honest. At least aware. That's the first step, no? Pero, let's tell everybody, ano ba yung inaaral mo sa school?
BS Criminology. I study BS Criminology.
Di ba guys, BS Criminology, tapos music. Wow, what a combo! First time ko ever marinig yun, feeling ko. So, kailangan mo kaming pakitaan ng talent here today. May gitara ka na nga eh. So, ready ka ba mag-sample a little bit for everybody? Okay. So, ano ba yung una mong kanta? Nakakantahin?
Yung debut single ko na Hiwaga.
Okay. Whenever you're ready.
Naririnig ko ang tibok ng aking puso tuwing kapiling mo ang oras ko'y hinihinto. O kay bilis daig pa ang segundo sa aking relo. Bawat pintig nito para sa'yo. At kung iyong maririnig, malambing mong tinig, masasabi mong payapa ang daigdig. Easy.
Grabe! Grabe naman ang isang Dave Trinidad, no? Pati yung producer namin sa side na naapektuhan. My God! Wow! Feel ko talaga yun. My goodness. And now, nakikita ko yung mga influences mo talaga. Kanina kasi nag-uusap kami. We talked a lot about John Mayer, no? And the style of his music. Kasi hearing you right now, live, in this setting, iba talaga yung feels. Parang, mas feel na feel. I mean, we love the recorded version. Pero iba talaga, di ba, pag like, I can feel
yung connection.
Yung may pa-smile ka pa. Ay! I love it. So, kwento ko naman about this song, which is, you mentioned, is your debut song, Hiwaga.
It's about the people na yung uniqueness ng isang tao na nakikita natin. Like, someone is special to me na ako lang yung nakakita na parang taglay niya yung hiwaga na hindi ko makita sa iba. Something like, you know. Tapos, the peace na binibigay sa akin ng tao na yun. And yung magic na sa kanya ko lang nakikita. Kaya naisulat ko din sa first refrain na something like, kung iyong maririnig, malambing mong tinig, masasabi mong payapang daig. Yeah, something like
I love it. The lyrics are they're like simple but true. Alam mo yun, na anybody can relate. Parang nakaka-relate yung mga iba sa feeling na yun. Like finding somebody in your life. Doesn't even have to be a romantic, kahit kanino naman, we see that special thing in them. So, ang ganda na parang...
Parang kasi yun, parang struggle kasi yun ng mga ibang songwriter na they try to put everything sa isang kanta.
Yes,
tapos, sa isang verse pa lang, nauubos na nila yung thoughts nila. So, one thing na natutunan ko is to keep everything simple.
Yeah.
Like, kung ano lang yung gusto mong sabihin, napasok naman dun sa tempo. And yung words na, yung choice of words mo. Yun.
Tama. Let's not overcomplicate, no? Life in general. So, gusto ko na apply mo din yun sa music mo. I love My God, kinikilig ako. Wow! Grabe, ang ganda. And I mean, you have one more song na binaon mo for today. So, what song will you be singing the second?
Yung pangalawang nilabas namin under UMG. Yung,
Okay.
Kahit Sandali. Pwede ba dito ka na lang? Samahan mo naman ako mag-isa. Sa'yo lang, sa'yo lang. Kahit di ko alam kung saan ito papunta. Here comes the bridge. Huwag kang mawawala. Huwag kang mawawala.
Hey!
Yun lang yung favorite kong part ng kanta kapag pinaplay namin siya live.
Yeah, I can tell why. Oo, grabe.
Kapag live, parang sinusustain namin yung sigaw na huwag kang mawawala. Para, kasi ayun yung meaning ng song. So, to plead someone na magstay sa'yo.
Yeah.
Something like that. So, yun yung favorite part ko.
Yeah. Grabe.
Song.
That's why I love Deep Dive. Kasi, nafe-feel ko, parang, especially you're very, yung emotions mo, feel namin from the moment you start singing. So, I love that. And something na kailangan mo i-continue talaga sa lahat pa ng performances mo, a lot of your music in the future. And I'm sure ngayon, mas ginaganahan ka bilang isang artist na mag-release pa ng music, to create more music. So, ano ba yung mga plano mo pa, goals mo, or things na we can look forward to coming from you?
Meron akong upcoming song na acoustic lang siya. Tapos,
bagay sa'yo yun.
It's about, parang Tagalog version siya ng I Love You, Goodbye.
Ay!
Parang,
Why did I?
yung nag-let go yung isang tao dahil sa sobrang mahal niya yung tao and gusto niya maging masaya yun.
May mga pinagdadaanan ka ba today?
Minsan lang, nagtatry ako na ilagay yung sarili ko sa situation ng iba. So, minsan, kapag may na-feel akong emotion, may akong gitara. Minsan nagpa-flow yung words and naisusulat ko siya. Tapos, I write songs para mag-express.
Yeah.
Lahat ng hindi ko masabi ng pasalita, sinusulat ko siya. Like, nakasulat ako ng isang album para lang may sabihin na message.
Wow! Yeah. That's so poetic. Oh my God.
Tapos,
very different from me, no? Feeling ko ako, I just talk a lot. Pero ikaw parang pinag-iisipan mo talaga yung mga gusto mong sabihin, then you put it into music. So excited na ako sa lahat pa ng gagawin mo. And I'm sure we're going to see more of you in the future. But before I let you go, do you have a message to everybody watching and all of your supporters?
Hello everyone, this is Dave Trinidad. You can follow me on my social media platforms at Dave Trinidad PH, and you can stream my songs on Spotify. Search nyo lang Dave Trinidad. Yan, lalabas na yan.
Yes.
Nakikita nyo yung nakangiti. Yan. Keep supporting OPM and ingat kayo palagi. Hope to see you sa mga gigs around sa inyo. And see you guys.
Yes, I love it. Si Dave palaging nakangiti. Which is nice. Even while he's singing, he's always smiling.
Actually, insecurity ko ngayong ipin ko. Pero wala, lagi ako na.
Ganda ng smile mo! I swear, nakakawa. I swear. Pati yung producer namin kanina nakangiti kasi ngumiti ka eh. I swear. Di ba guys, I'm sure nakangiti kayo ngayon while watching this. But thank you so much, Dave, for not only sharing your energy, but also yung talent mo here with us, some exclusive. And once again, if you guys haven't yet, make sure to stream all of Dave's music. Just search Dave Trinidad on your favorite music digital streaming platforms, and I'm sure he will come up. So once again, this has been VJ Sam with 2Ms and Dave Trinidad. Thank you, everybody.
Bye!